Welcome back to another Amazon home decor haul. This Amazon home decor haul is extra exciting because there's a lot of organization. I know that a lot of us right now are reorganizing our spaces, just refreshing them for the new year. So I think you're gonna like a lot of the things that I have to share today. I'm gonna start with the home decor because it's fun and beautiful, and I think it's the things that you guys like the most. Not too long ago, I shared a military style blanket. I shared it a ton over on Instagram as well. I love it. It's one of my favorite purchases I think I've ever made. It gives grandpa chic. It's just so beautiful. I love it. It's on my bed right now. It comes in a ton of different colors, and I noticed the color khaki was on sale. So this is the color khaki. I would say it has a tiny bit of a green tint, but it's completely different from the other one. And it also has a different pattern, which I love that, especially for swapping it out on my bed. The other one's a bit darker. This one's much lighter. I think I'm gonna put this one at the back of our couch. So right now I have a different blanket on the back of our couch, but I'm gonna swap it out for this one because it's just so beautiful. It feels very elevated. It just feels, the quality is impeccable on this blanket. I mean, wonderful. And right now I think it's like 50% off. This is the blanket. It's that like prettiest khaki tone. And like I said, the one that I currently have has a little bit more of that plaid print. This one is much more like streamlined, much more simple. And it just has these stripes on either end. So it's beautiful. I'm super excited. Like I said, I noticed it was on sale and I ordered it immediately because I was so impressed with the first one that I bought that I was like, I will absolutely use this in multiple different spaces, whether I swap out the one on my bed right now, on the back of the couch, at the end of the bed, at the end of our chaise lounge on our couch. There's so many different uses for this blanket, and it's definitely a home staple. So super excited about this one. Next for home decor, I found this ribbed pitcher. Going into spring and summer, I love to have pitchers not only for, you know, having dinners outside and hosting and different things like that, but also I love these for florals. So I thought that this would be so pretty. It kind of gives a little bit more of that countryside feel when you put flowers in a vase, or excuse me, in a pitcher. And I just really love that look sometimes. So I saw this one. You guys know I love ribbed. It's just one of my favorite details on glassware. And I don't know. I don't have anything like this. I loved it. So beautiful. Next, we have another glass box, and I know I just shared a glass box with you guys, but it's completely different. It's half the size, completely different. But what made me buy this box, this is actually the second time I've purchased this glass box. We just went home to Oregon to visit our nephews, and we stayed in the room that I did a makeover for my sister, and I filmed the whole thing on the channel. So if you missed those videos, you have to go back. The room is so beautiful, especially for my sister and her family. But as we were staying in the room, I kept noticing the box, and I was like, I really want that for my house. I really loved it. And I filmed a whole reel on it for Instagram, and then I ordered it because it's just so good. It's so beautiful with that ribbed detailing. Let me see if I can get it in focus. So this ribbed box is, I don't know, I just really love the detail. As you guys know, I talk about detail all the time, and I think even when you're buying something as simple as a box, paying attention to the detail that that box has as well will help elevate your space. And this just having the scalloped edges, the little latch, how they kind of pieced it together. It has so much detail. I loved this, and I love these so much. Again, for a bedside table, coffee table, shelf styling, entryway table where you can corral like your keys, receipts, things like that. Maybe not glass for that, but I do love these for so many different spaces of a home. You could put your makeup in here, whatever. You can do so many different things, and you can never have too many. I think that they come in handy so much all the time. I'm always grabbing for these. Definitely a home decor staple that I think every home needs. I'm about to do a bathroom refresh in our bathroom, and I'm super excited about it because right now it is so mismatched in there and not in a good way. I don't know what happens, but every couple of months it just gets paired back, and then I don't know what happens in there, but it's due for a refresh, and I'm gonna be filming that probably this week. If not this week, next week, and it'll probably go live next week, actually, now that I'm thinking about it. But anyway, I needed new bath mats because the ones we have in there right now are in like a charcoal color, and our towels are like a beige. Is not good. But I needed something that we could just toss in the wash if it gets dirty, because our mats get quite dirty with living in this small space. I found these on Amazon, and I just liked how simple and sophisticated these were. They feel very spa-like, and again, we could just toss them in the wash. But I really wanted to make sure I found something that wasn't a stark white, because we need to be able to hide a little bit of dirt, you know, because I can't be washing these every single day. So I found these. These are in the color Salt, and they are, I don't know that I would call them a cream. They're almost like the palest beige. Maybe they are a cream. Maybe they are a cream, but they're beautiful. They're actually the perfect color. Now, I accidentally ordered 2 sets of 2 because I thought that it was a single, but they come in a pack of 2. So when you order these, you only need 1 if you want 2 mats, but now I have 2 sets, so I need to return 1. Anyway, I love these. I think that they're gonna give me that look that I'm going for, which is more of like a spa-like, very clean. I just love to start the new year just clean and fresh, and just to feel like when I'm showering and in a space that just feels motivating. So love these, and they feel really, really good quality. So super excited about those. Also, it being January, I am into all things organization, all things cleaning. I just get into this extra clean, extra organized, extra motivated space in January. I just feel very refreshed and excited. So I got on Amazon. I have a shop for later list that's literally probably a mile long. It is so full of stuff. So I was digging through there, and I had this shower hose in my save for laters, and I thought, you know what? Every time I clean the shower, I get so frustrated because I have to fill a little cup, clean off the side. And I know most of you probably have sprayers in your shower, but I do not. I just have the shower head. So I had this in there. This is game changer. I mean, game changer. If you do not have a shower attachment or like a spray attachment in your shower, you need this. It is so good. So basically what you do is, it comes with 2 hoses actually, and 2 like little ends. Mine's still a little bit wet, but you're gonna take, this is the extra big because our shower head's a little bit bigger. It comes in 2 sizes, I believe. You take this and you wrap it around the shower head, and then you have a hose. You turn your shower on like regular, and then you could just wash off the suds from washing your shower. It is such a game changer. Matter of fact, I'm gonna put the collage that I made for all of my bathroom cleaning supplies that I like to use. All of them are amazing, but this has been one of the smartest buys I have ever bought. It is so awesome. I love this thing. It just makes, can you tell? I'm super excited about it. It makes the shower cleaning experience not that bad, because like I said, before I would just use a cup, fill it up, wash it on the side, fill it up again, wash it on the side, and whatever, that works, but it's really annoying and it takes forever. This like really cuts my shower cleaning time down. And then another another cleaning product that I got was this new mop. We are big Swiffer people. We love the Swiffer. It's just so nice to just pop a pad on, clean up real quick. We love a Swiffer, but I wanted something that was like, I could reuse and wash, and that would clean a little bit better. So I found this mop here, and it's just like a Swiffer. So it looks just like a Swiffer. It has a wet side or a wash side and a dry. So you get it all wet and then you dry it off. It's so amazing. This is another buy that has been such a game changer for me. And they come with 3 different pads that you can throw in the wash and reuse. So good. So good. Highly recommend that mop, especially if you're using a Swiffer or you like the feel of a Swiffer. Try this out. It's awesome. Now, everything else that I got is for a pantry makeover that you guys are gonna see on the channel very soon. I think I'm going over there next week to do the makeover, and I'm so excited. I've never done a pantry makeover. We have the tiniest, we have a mini closet. I mean, it's just one, it's so small. We have one shelf for, I guess technically two, but we have some appliances up there, so it's so small. It's so small. So I haven't really been able to do anything really in our apartment to share with you guys. So having this huge pantry to work on is super exciting to me. It's their pantry / their laundry room, and it's for my friend. I did her bathroom makeover here on the channel, so now we're working into a couple other spaces of our home, next being her pantry, and it's so exciting. I went to IKEA, I did an IKEA shop with me, and found a few things there that I was thinking about getting, which I might go back for, like the canisters and a couple things, but I found some better options on Amazon, like these jars here. I specifically went to IKEA for these, and once I got there, I didn't love the rubber piece inside these jars. So I looked on Amazon and they had these clear ones that gave that look that I was going for. And when I tell you how picky I am down to that small detail, I am so picky. I don't like to get things that are good enough. I want them to be the vision that I have. So I found these, super exciting to find the ones that I was looking for with that clear cap, just because it makes it less distracting. It's just way more aesthetically pleasing. So I got 2 sets of 5. So these come in a set of 5. I got 2, so I have 10 jars. They come with a large, so I have 2 large. They come with 2 medium. So I have 4 medium because I ordered 2 packs. And then they come with 2 of these smaller ones. So I have 4. And like I said, I just really like how these looked so much better, and I'm super excited to use these. I feel like they give that old world vibe, and she definitely has a very similar vibe to me. So I just figured while shopping for her pantry, I'm gonna treat it like I'm shopping for my own pantry, because our style is so similar, and that has been so easy for me because I'm treating it like it's my own. For the pantry, I got these seagrass baskets. Aren't these amazing? When I got these in, I was like, oh my gosh, I need these for my house to put like throw blankets in. They come in 3 different sizes, which actually every size is a decent size. And these were actually a decent price for seagrass baskets. So we have, this is the smallest size. Then you get a medium, and then you get the large. And I got these specifically for their extra toilet paper that they have in their pantry. They also store their extra Kleenex boxes and paper towels. So I really did like that these you could see through, because the pantry's so big and the shelves are so tall. You can kind of peek in there. I could also put labels on them as well. I just thought that these were so beautiful. I almost want to order a second pack because their pantry is massive, and I might have to do that. Yeah, I might have to do that. These are gorgeous. I love these so much. And when I ordered these, I knew I wanted to go with black metal baskets as well. And you guys know how much I love these metal baskets. They just, again, give that old world feel, but look at them next to the seagrass baskets. It's gonna look so good. It's gonna look so good. And she does have some other baskets as well already in her pantry that I'm gonna use, but I wanted to get a couple other things just to make sure I mix up the different materials in there. That's gonna really help elevate the space. So I got those metal baskets. These come in a set of, oh geez. These come in a set of 4. And you know what? These really remind me of locker rooms, like at school when we would have to change into our gym clothes. These remind me of the baskets that we would have. We'd all have our own, and you'd have like a number on there and a little lock. These remind me so much of those. So I love these so much. They're so cute. I've shared some other ones I got off of H&M Home. Love those as well, but I'm using those, so I got her some fresh new ones. Then I got these. These come in a pack of 4. And what I really loved about these is they have the opening. So we can put her potatoes in here, onions, you know, all those vegetables that are like dry vegetables, which I thought, again, just elevate it, and you don't have it hanging from, you know, those like 3-layer baskets. I didn't want to do anything like that in her kitchen, or, you know, let's get rid of those. Let's elevate. So I got these, and I'm super excited about these. I just think that these are going to look so so good in there. Like, look at this. Again, like, it's gonna be so good. So good. Now, I asked my friend to send me a video of her pantry because she lives a little further out from me. So I said, can you send me a video so I can just kind of take a look at everything? And I kept pausing it and looking and pausing and looking. So I noticed she had some water bottles in there and some soda cans. So I got these so we could just put these acrylic containers right on the shelf and line up her sodas. And it's just gonna, again, corral them. It looks organized, it looks clean. And she had them in her home, like in the container they come in. So again, these little things are gonna make the biggest difference when it comes to elevating that space. She had a jug of water in there for, I think, her pets. So I got one of these to just swap, to dump that water in here and just help elevate it a little bit more. Now these, I will say, I would have gone with like a glass container or something a little bit different. But the one thing my friend expressed to me was functionality. They really wanted to make sure whatever I bring in there, that it actually works. And sometimes I get a little hesitant on, you know, glass containers and stuff, because sometimes they're not the best. Sometimes I don't know that I trust them as much as I trust something like this. So I went with this. I thought that this elevated it more than the jug that they got from the store. So I went with that. Same with these containers here that I got to dump their laundry detergent in. I personally would have gone with maybe like a glass container or something like that. But two reasons why I went with this. Again, the functionality. I really wanted to be mindful of the functionality because she expressed how important that was to them. So it had to work. And sometimes with the glass containers, they work, but they could be a little finicky, and I just didn't want to do that to them. So me, I would deal with it. I'd be like, this thing is so annoying, but I would need it to be pretty, where I would just be like, it's fine, it's beautiful, and I love it. But for them, again, I wanted to be mindful, so I found these to put your laundry detergent, your softeners, things like that. These also come with labels, but I'm gonna put a different label on here to give it a little bit of a different look. And I thought that these were really cute for taking them out of the colorful jugs, although sometimes the laundry detergents are colorful. It's still gonna look better. It's still gonna look so much better. And oh, the second reason I got these is because their shelf is rather high. So this way it could be up there and you're not pulling down a glass jug. Like this, it comes with a spigot and then you can just get it from that high top shelf. So I thought that that was just a little bit smarter than what I would have done. Same with these. I noticed that she had some smaller like softeners or maybe stain removers or something that was in smaller jugs. So I found these. I thought that these were really cool. She can grab them, dump it in here. Just taking it out of those bright, ugly store-bought containers is gonna make the biggest difference in there. And then also I found this acrylic little container for dryer sheets. So it's gonna look so pretty. And then the last item, yes, I believe this is the last item, is the light fixture. So for me, when it comes to a utilitarian space, I love an old world, like utilitarian, almost schoolhouse light fixture. They have a can light in there right now. So I ordered a converter that you can attach a hard wire light fixture into the can light. So I'll link that down as well. And this was the light fixture that I chose from Amazon. I just thought that this was beautiful. I just like this old world vibe, and with everything else we had going on, I just felt like it was perfect. And then let me see if I can show you the hardware to it, because it's black. So I thought with the black baskets, with the bathroom makeover that we just did, with the black light fixtures and black mirrors in there, I just thought it would be, you know, the choice to go with. So this is the light fixture that we're gonna have in there. Isn't that cute? I love this sort of light fixture in a utilitarian room. Like, it just, to me, feels so old world. And I just, you know how much I love that look. that is everything that I got from Amazon. Let me know down in the comments which was your favorite. Are you organizing right now? What's your January vibe? Are you a little bit more chill and don't put that pressure on yourself? Or are you like me and it just feels like a fresh start? Leave it down in the comments, let me know. Also, let me know which item was your favorite. Thank you guys so much for watching, and I will see you guys in a couple days with another. Bye.
I would say we were good together.